In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Solana into Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account, and there's your link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you have your Axiom account, what you want to do to deposit Solana is actually just click up here where it says deposit. And then make sure over here, once you click deposit again, you have Solana selected, okay? Now, if it says Solana, you'll also be able to see your balance. And if you want to deposit it, you actually have two ways. You can either copy your deposit address, which is this one over here. You can copy it and you can simply send your Solana from another wallet to your Axiom address, or you can simply buy through Coinbase. So if you don't have Solana, they actually have a deal. So if you click over here, you can click buy through Coinbase. You'll be automatically able to buy it. So as you can see, you will simply just have to type in how much you would like to buy. So for example, let's say you want 1 Solana, which is this amount right now. You can simply press buy and it will take you directly to Coinbase over here, where in a few seconds, once this loads up, there we go, you will be required to enter in your info. So basically, you will just have to confirm your information, and then after that, you'll be able to pay it and right away buy it. I think the limit is about 500 euros in Solana a day or something like that. So you can buy it if you want to, or simply deposit it as I said. So just copy it here, go to one of your wallets. So for example, Phantom Wallet. Let me show you how to do this via the Phantom Wallet because it's quite simple. Let's say you're holding some Solana over here, or on any wallet, you want to click send and then select Solana, paste in your address, and then paste in the amount, press next, confirm it, and in a few seconds, your Solana will be sent to your Axiom wallet, and you'll be able to start trading with it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.